Esta noche es muy especial y es mágica. Esta noche Camila quiere presentar a unos amigos muy jóvenes. El fenómeno mexicano. 90 millones de views en tan solo 3 meses en YouTube. En China, en Japón, Hungría, Alemania. Orgullosamente mexicanos. Pido un fuerte aplauso y una ovación para el debut de estos chiquitos. Pido un fuerte, fuerte aplauso. Los Vázquez.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out to the alley or she big. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I do too. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of what they keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we couldn't have it all. Rolling into deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with me. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I heard one of you when they got a million with friends. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making our home donde as my show won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of what you leave me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we couldn't have it all. Rolling into deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with me. We couldn't have it all. Rolling into deep, you had my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings and find what's to look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You made me I can count and breathe just by yourself. We couldn't have it all.
Un aplauso, México.
We couldn't